Hey guys,
This is Ral.
and Burns, and we're from the Philippines. We are so excited to kick off another travel series because this time we are back in one of our favorite countries, South Korea. We decided to spend about a week here over the holidays to celebrate our sister's birthday. Ral and I are so grateful to have made more core memories with the family in Korea, and all the more grateful that we are able to share this experience with all of you. Okay, enough talking now. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. As always, grab a snack and enjoy this episode of Autumn in Korea. Let's go!
Hi, Dre.
Hey!
Hi, Max.
Kasama si Dre sa travel vlog.
Hey guys, welcome back to another travel vlog.
And we're here now at the Mabuhay Lounge. It's already 9 o'clock and tapos na kami kumain pero baka ilang rounds pa kami mamaya.
Kasi 11 p.m. pa yung boarding namin. So definitely, we're gonna have a few more rounds of eating.
So yun, speaking of the food here in Mabuhay Lounge. So nag-start ako with the noodle soup and meron siyang shrimp. And then I went for the puchero. Tama no? Puchero and rice. Pinorder ko siya with pork siomai and mushroom dumpling. So after that, dessert na ako. Naghalo-halo, nag-croissant with banana and chocolate, creme brulee, and then last is fruits. Madami siyang selection pero kung i-compare ko yung siomai na lang doon sa Marhaba Lounge. Mas sarap yung Marhaba Lounge na siomao. Siomai.
So this time, saan tayo pupunta?
We're going back to Korea!
Annyeonghaseyo! Ang lakas ng ulan ngayon. Medyo kinakabahan tong isang to mag-travel. Pero ako chill lang kasi I know we're always safe naman. Tsaka ika-cancel nila yan kung hindi nila kaya. So dami pa rin naman nagta-travel now. So tuloy na tuloy ang aming trip.
Yes! It gives me anxiety knowing na merong red alert na ang
Red
NDR
rainfall.
MMC. So red rainfall na ngayon. Signal number 2 here in the Philippines.
Sobrang nag-iingay si NDR MMC. Ang daming alerts ngayon.
Yeah, kaya puro kain ako ngayon. Kahit kanina pa ba kaya sa bahay. Bago ako umalis, talagang kain ako ng kain. Kasi kitang-kita ko from outside yung hampas ng hangin and ulan talaga. Oh.
Stress eating is real, guys. So buti na lang, ang sarap ng ibang food dito. Hindi lahat, pero may mga masasarap na food.
I'm used to flying sa morning. Ngayon kasi red eye tayo kaya medyo nakaka-anxious palalo. So gusto ko sana nakikita yung outside.
Ilabas.
Oo. So yun super dark and then it's raining. It's raining hard.
It's okay. It's gonna be a quick flight lang naman. And then we'll be there in 4 hours.
Hey guys, waiting game begins. So, lumipat kami ng pwesto para mas comfy kami. Dahil mga ilang hours pa kami mag-aantay. Anong oras na pa? It's already 9:19 and 11 pa kami magbo-board. So, tulog muna tayo.
Ang sakit ng puson ko, guys.
Alam mo naman. Hey guys, we're inside the plane already. Medyo delayed ng flight natin ng 1 hour ngayon but it's okay. Nakastay naman kami sa Mabuhay Lounge. Kumain lang kami ng kumain kanina.
So, going here, I don't know what happened, pero nakabus kami going here. Tapos, wala rin siyang yung tunnel, the usual. Okay lang. At least hindi naman na umuulan. Hassle din kung umuulan, no? Kasi pababa ng bus, grabe, basa-basa kami if ever. So, buti na lang, na-delay kami ng onte at tumila din yung ulan.
Thankfully, talagang nag-clear na siguro yung skies. I feel like clear na yung skies kasi wala nang ulan at all. So, we're expecting a safe and smooth flight. See you guys in Korea. Ano yun? Ano kaya yun? Puyat brain.
Brain fart. Hey guys, let's do what's in the Philippine Airlines travel pouch. They have fluffy socks to keep your feet warm. They also have an eye mask. Pero hindi ako pwede kasi meron akong lashes. So, hindi ko siya magagamit.
Cabin crew, door start. Thank you.
They have dental kit. That's it.
Farm doors and cross-check.
Okay, that's it. Makain pa. Good morning, guys. It's almost 4 a.m. and we're getting served our breakfast. I would say breakfast na namin to. Ang sarap ng food. What do you think?
Wala pa akong gana kasi sobrang aga pa. Just puyat. Parang ang weird ng feeling. But, sarap yung melon. Tamis. Weird combo lang with the parang prosciutto meat. Kasi, for breakfast. I don't usually eat this kind of breakfast.
For breakfast food na nga siya. Nakakaano pa, lutang. Kasi basically, wala pa kaming tulog. Kaya definitely later, bagsak kami sa BNB. Let's enjoy the meal first. Ang sarap niya. Not your typical airplane meal.
Merong smoked salmon na kasama. Gandang pair with cucumber.
Ang sarap.
Check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew landing stations, October 2024, Friday. Ground temperature is recorded at 11 degrees Celsius.
Hey guys, we're back in Korea!
Annyeong!
Time check, it's already 9 a.m. and it's 11 degrees right now.
We actually touched down around 7 a.m. Pero nag-work muna kami. Actually, we're gonna be here until 11 a.m. Kasi yung BNB naman hindi pwede mag-early check-in. So we're just waiting here.
It's a sunny day, opposite ang weather dito. Sobrang clear ng skies, sunny, tapos ang cold ng hangin.
Kaya nakaka-excite. Nilalamig na ulit ako. I forgot to get my jacket sa luggage.
Kwento lang about the delay. Nabot ata halos 2 hours yung delay natin, no?
Yeah.
Kasi sa lounge pa lang, parang almost
1 hour delay.
yeah. Tapos nung nasa plane kami, nag-antay pa rin. But masarap naman yung in-flight food, pati yung mabuhay lounge food. Kaya okay lang, nag-antay tayo.
Yes, okay lang din naman. Worth it naman yung hintay dahil sa food. Sarap din ng beef pochero roll. Then yung appetizer na may salmon and yung melon ham thing. Super sarap.
Ako gusto ko yung ice cream, Carmen's Best na vanilla. Another thing din na worth it din siguro na delay yung flight kasi naabutan namin yung sunrise. Sobrang ganda ng sun. Yung first time ko makakita ng sunrise sa loob ng plane kasi bilog na bilog siya. Sobrang color orange. Ang ganda ng sunrise kanina.
We're just waiting 2 more hours and then we can leave our luggages at the B&B and then check in around 2 p.m. Kasi may cleaning pa daw sila ng gano'n. So, yun, mag-grocery muna kami during that wait period para meron na kaming food for the next few days for breakfast.
I can't wait to go around Korea again!
So happy to be here. Lagi akong kinikilig pag Korea. Oh my gosh. I feel like I was a Korean in a previous lifetime.
Oh, shit! Nanonood lang ng Korean series, may ganun ng bentang-benta tayo.
Saranghayo!
Okay guys, see you in our BNB.
Guys, watch pala Bloodhounds on Netflix. Sobrang ganda.
Nag-promote pa, nag-promote pa.
Thanks Ate Rain for the recommendation. Sobrang ganda. Yun yung natapos namin in 3 days lang ata. 8 episodes lang naman siya. Sobrang ganda.
O yung tagal na, 3 minutes na intro natin.
Hey guys, so it's 11 a.m. Nagutom na kami. So we ran to Nice to See You convenience store and I purchased kimbap. We also
So got choco biscuit.
so let's eat first and then hopefully after this we can head to the B&B na to drop off our luggages. Let's eat!
Ashit!
Bon appetit! Buti may microwave doon kasi hindi ko feel kumain ng gimbap na malamig.
Nung kumain ako last time ng gimbap, hindi ko naiinit. Kaya medyo matigas yung kanin. Mukhang masarap. Sarap, guys. Mukhang masarap. Pag yan talaga nahulog.
Takot na takot tong isang to. Kala mo na.
Subo mo isang buo.
Nakal.
Init.
It's good.
Sarap talaga pang iinit.
Happy.
So meron siyang egg, spinach, carrots, tapos parang kimchi and pork sa loob. Gimbap.
Hey guys, so while waiting to cross the street, update lang. It's already 2 p.m. and we're on our way to Hyundai Department Store to go grocery shopping. So, mga 4 p.m. pa yung check-in namin kasi na-late yung cleaning ng B&B. Kaya magtatagal na lang kami dito. And mukhang maganda siya. Hyundai Department Store din to, but it's not like the one na yung may Queens Department Store na pinuntahan namin nung last vlog namin. So, iba naman to. Pero sa basement kami pupunta kasi nandun yung grocery store.
So we stopped by this dumpling or siopaw shop beside No Sugar Zone. So we ordered 2 meat buns and 2 taro buns tsaka isang kimchi bun. So we're gonna have to try it now. 5 pieces.
It's like the steam buns na tinry namin last Korea travel namin. Pero hindi na umabot sa vlog kasi nawala sa clips. So,
Oh, na-corrupt yung file.
oo. So, same na same yung concept ng store. Order ka rin to the machine. Tapos yun yung order mo kagad. So, kaso dun sa isang pinuntahan namin, meron siyang tables and chairs. Pero ito talagang ano lang,
Ito.
curbside.
Yeah, curbside.
Yeah.
So busy-busy na yung dalawa.
Oo nga eh. Ayun, huli-huli. Habang nagsasata kami dito, naghihimay na sila. Ano in-order mo for us?
I ordered 2 meat buns nga and then 2 taro tsaka isang kimchi. Just to try everything. Yun lang yung flavors na meron sila.
Gusto ko yung taro bun. Asan yung taro bun?
Ito meat yung kinakain ni Dre.
Let's eat, guys.
Sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Taro bun?
Look at that.
Taro to? Red bean to eh.
Oh, red bean.
Red bean to.
Sure tayo?
Yeah. So, let's try.
Try it. Ang ingay nun. Buti tumahimik. Ang ingay ng steam. Sarap. Oo.
Oh. May nakakagat ka pang buong red bean.
Sarap. So good, guys.
Ako
Oh my
naman.
gosh. Ang lambot pa nung bread niya. Sobrang lambot.
Bagong luto kasi, kaya talaga masarap.
Fresh off the steamer.
How we do it.
Bili na kayo dito.
Galing yung budol. Every time manonood ako ng vlog niyo, sobrang nagugutom ako lagi.
That's how you do it, guys.
So yan,
Parang nakakumakain kayo with us.
makikita niyo yung red bean sa loob. Makakagat niya siya. Then very creamy yung red bean.
Ang sarap.
Ay, kimchi nga ba?
Yeah, kimchi.
Ang harap. Sarap. Good choice. I wanna try the meat naman. How's the meat? Masarap. Let's try the meat. Ito na rin yung lunch namin, guys. Nauna yung dessert namin kanina eh. Mmm! Sarap.
Ano naman?
Sarap. Ang daming laman.
Malaman.
Daming. Para sa somay na bun na ang laki. Sarap.
I will describe it as parang dumplings pero naka-bun siya. So it has glass noodles, may meat siya, siguro pork to, mukhang pork no, and then green onions. So may nabitin pa. O-order pa sila ulit. Okay guys, kakain pa kami. So see you guys later.
Hey guys, so it's almost 4 p.m. and we're right here sa B&B namin. We're waiting for the check-in kasi na-late si host kaya ngayon lang kami makakabalik.
Groceries muna kami before heading back to the BNB and magfe-freshen up kami. We still don't know kung lalabas pa kami after freshening up pero we're tired and almost 12 hours na kaming nasa labas ng bahay. 24 hours pala kasi anong oras na kami pumunta ng airport hanggang ngayon nasa labas pa rin kami. Layo ng nilakad namin kanina. Pabalik-balik pa kami.
Pumunta kami sa nearest na grocery daw sa Hyundai department store. Just me, ang mahal, guys. Hindi rin kami nakabili ng kahit anong tubig lang. So maghahanap kami ng Lotte Fresh na Lotte Fresh grocery. Doon kami mag-grocery later. Okay guys, so I'm gonna share the Airbnb listing that I booked for our trip in Korea. So this one is around 5K per night and perfect siya for us kasi it has 2 bedrooms. The first bedroom has 2 single beds and yung bedroom namin, it has a queen bed.
Yeah.
And then, may banyo din siya na hindi separate lang yung toilet tsaka shower, but that's okay. So, may steps din siya na medyo mataas.
Oo, medyo delikado kapag basa na yung floor.
Oh, and one thing also, pati sa first B&B namin nung may trip namin sa Korea, ang liit ng towels na pinaprovide nila. As in, pang bimbo talaga.
Yung natauso dito sa Korea, hindi yung
sa
mga big
B&Bs
towels.
nila, hindi big towels. So, yun talaga I made sure na magbaon kami ni Ral ng mga normal tao na towels.
So the kitchen part, they also have yung malaking fridge. Yan, 2-door fridge na yan. They also have microwave, kettle, knife set, and utensils. They also have washer and dryer connected sa kitchen.
Yeah.
Meron lang silang dish soap, pero hand soap wala. Kaya bibili pa kami
We're gonna buy
mamaya.
that late. So that's it. It's such a cute and homey place, and I'm excited to stay here for the next 10 days.
Daming coffee shop dito. Oh. Kanina may Pig's Coffee. Ngayon may Upside Coffee. So, we're looking for a different... Ayun, GS 25. This is how you do it. At sobrang bigat na mga to. Kasya kaya lahat? Pwede pa ba size?
Pwede pa. One more.
Pagpatong. Yan.
Hi guys, update. It's 5:50 and we're about to eat our dinner. We found this Korean restaurant. Its name is The Moa. It's around the area lang ng BNB namin kasi ayaw na namin lumayo at gutom na kami para mas mabilis kami makabalik. So we ordered fish cake, tteokbokki, tempura, different kinds of tempura, and jambong. So hopefully masarap ang food natin tonight. And pag masarap to, magti-take out din kami for breakfast.
Okay din yung price niya, guys. Like yung tteokbokki is like 5,000. So that's around 200, 250 pesos. Mga ganun yung price range niya. At ang laki pa na serving. And of course, may unlimited radish. Yun yung miss ko dito eh. So let's eat! So crispy, so good. Look at that, ang kapal ng pusit.
Harap. Legit ramen. Ito dyan. Hawas-haw natin. Masita.
Pala itong left side ng ref na to. Diyan ko nilagay yung coffee and kimbap namin kagabi. So, nag-freeze siya. Oh my gosh, sobrang tigas. Defrost muna niya.
Sa kalokohan niya.
At least malamig na yung coffee mo talaga.
Pati yung gimbap ko, wala na ako makakain.
Good morning, guys! So, it's day 1 here in Korea. We're just eating our breakfast. Pero medyo matagal ngayon kasi na-freeze ko yung mga gimbap namin. So, defrost ko muna siya.
Coffee ko.
Pati yung coffee niya. Ay. So, that's it. Our plan for today is we're going to Iksandong and Insadong, yung mga Hanok village doon. And then, sa gabi, we're going to Myeongdong night market na.
Food trip.
Yes! Dadalhin din namin sila sa Cheonggyecheon stream kasi same area naman yung yung Insadong, Iksandong. And then, we're going to Lotte Grocery tonight before we head back home sa BNB. Ang sarap ng breakfast namin. We had tuna on sourdough. Baon ni mom, yung bread. And then, we bought the tuna sa E-Mart 24 last night.
Naisip ako sa Cheonggyecheon, parang we can buy something from Blue Bottle and then we can drink it sa
May Blue Bottle nga
stream.
pala sa harap. So, sana malamig na yung weather ngayon kasi naka-sweater ako, guys. Turtleneck. Nakakahiya naman kung sobrang init-init. Tapos ganito yung suot ko. Kasi naman, napaka-deceiving ng nila, weather app. 11 degrees Celsius but it didn't feel 11. Parang 25.
Nag-research nga ako online. Ayaw mo naman maniwala na hindi sila masyado nilalamig ba kahit mga tourist.
Malay mo hindi ko ma-expect. Siyempre lamigin ako. So baka sila lang yun. Yung pala talagang mainit. Mainit pa. So let's eat, guys. I'm gonna get the kimbap.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We're outside already, and today we will be visiting the Dongdong areas.
Dong areas kami yan. Iksandong, Insadong, and Myeongdong.
It's already 10 a.m. and yun yung agenda natin today. And food trip pala, kasi ito yung mga areas na i-revisit natin with maps and digiting.
Yes! So excited na kami kasi we've never been to Iksandong, Insadong area. Hindi namin napuntahan yun nung first time namin dito. Kaya ngayon, yun yung uunahin namin.
Let's go there, guys!
Sarap ng weather. Yes! Go, Dre! Hey guys, take 2 na delete ko yung footage namin. So it's already 12:45 p.m. and we're here in Iksandong, Hanok Village.
It's a very good weather. Sunny siya ngayon, pero malamig pa rin yung hangin. You can see a lot of aesthetic restaurants, coffee shop, and dessert cafes, and retail shops ng clothes, accessories, and pasalubong. Though it's a bit overwhelming because it's a weekend and it's packed with tourists. Tulad din nasa likod natin ngayon, ganyan yung mga itsura ng mga restaurants and cafes na ginawa nilang tourist spots. Kasi grabe yung isang restaurant, nakita ko para talagang kala mo hindi entrance, may railway pa.
Pero right now, we're here in front of Flippers. It's like a souffle pancake store. Ang bango ng mga desserts. Oh my gosh, nakaka-tempt. Kaya maghahanap na kami ng lunch place. Siyempre, KBBQ ulit. So,
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime and it's on the way here naman. Ang dami namin nakitang mga hole-in-the-wall places na gano'n yung may mga only side dishes. So let's go. Ikutin muna natin tong Iksandong, Hanok Village. That was so good. Sarap. Kumuha, pero hindi kami bumili. Sir, balik. So we bought rice cakes for mom for 3,000 won. That's around 126 pesos.
Oh, 126 lang.
Mura na rin. Laking dami naman.
Tapos gusto pa tawad.
Sabi niya, last price?
Last price.
Rice? Hey guys, it's already 2:10 p.m. and we're now in Insadong area.
Kakatapos na namin mag-lunch and it was a very heavy lunch. Puro side dishes ang kinuha nila. Talagang parang ginawa nilang only side dishes.
Hindi naman talaga, pero syempre mahiya ka din naman kasi hindi naman siya talaga unlimited yung place. So,
Sarap din yung in-order natin na belly, pork belly. Para tayo nagsangyupsal but hindi siya only.
super sarap. Iba talaga yung ano nila dito, quality ng meat. Nung una ayoko pa kasi pork neck yung gusto ko, pero nung sinerve nila yung pork belly, ang kapal, ang taba, and hindi siya ganun hindi siya matigas.
Oo.
Ang lambot niya. Uy,
First
sarap.
time hindi ako nag-rice sa pork belly. Lalo sa mga samgyup kailangan may kanin. Pero ito sa dami ng side dishes, parang nabusog ka na sa gulay.
May chop chip pa kasi na side dish. So, ang sarap nun, only din namin. Basta nakailang rounds kami. Nung humingi pa ako ng odeng, nag-make face na yung babae. Tapos hindi na ako binigyan ulit. So, yun na yung sign ko na hindi na
No,
pwede. Yeah, hindi na pwede.
So we're going around Insadong now and medyo maganda-ganda talaga yung weather ngayon dahil nababalance yung init ng sun with the cold wind.
Sarap.
So talagang perfect mag-ikot ngayon sa Insadong.
Let's go! Hey guys, ang ganda dito sa Insadong, this is the cultural street. So, para rin siyang Myeongdong. It's a lot of stores, meron ding mga food markets, food stalls. Like right now here, may the Siam. And a lot of different stores pa behind us. Ang ganda dito. It's bussin'.
감사합니다.
이거 안에 siya sample.
이리 와봐요. 여기가 지금 중간이라고.
내가 누가 저기가 불러.
ganun? Oo, ganun din. Sana,
How much? 얼마? 바로 15. 15,000. 네.
maraming bakit. Masarap naman siya. Masarap. Sarap din ito. Yeah, ay hindi na lang. Thank you. Kamida.
Ito na kainin namin kasi nakakahiya na sa sample. Ayan guys, nabudol kami dun sa
mabenta ng mga ganitong snacks. So, we got this pack kasi assorted na siya. May brown rice cake, may buckwheat, may nuts. Sobrang sarap. Tsaka binibigyan lang kami ng mga samples. Kaya, ayan. Sarap.
파우더 이 콘스타치 맞아 친구 유튜브 봤구나 머리카락 보다가는 16,000가닥이 꿀잼하다 32, 64, 2024 중간 거기 참가다 소금 넣고 할인해드리겠습니다 주문 도와드릴까요?
Rice sample. Ano?
알려줘.
Inside, ano?
Now it tastes
Anong lasa?
Now it tastes
Sarap?
a little some sweet but taste better frozen
Masarap.
Pili kami ng sample, kuya. Meron siyang parang mga granules sa loob. Meron sesame seeds, nuts. Tikman natin. Almond na ito. Sarap. Amin hot din. Hot.
So it's already 4:30 p.m. and we're now here in the Cheonggyecheon stream.
It's good to be back here ng morning naman. Kasi last time we went here, pa sundown na at saka nakita namin yung lights. Ibang feels din pala pagka morning. So mas kita mo yung water streaming down the city.
The city.
City naman to.
Oh,
Sabi ko sana streaming down the stream. The city na.
anyway, so iba rin yung vibes ngayong hapon. Ang chill niya, wala pang masyadong tao. Tsaka makita mo yung wideness ng street. So galing kami sa Insadong kanina, Exondong this morning, and then Insadong, Cheonggyecheon stream. Ang lapit na ng Myeongdong dito, kaya konting lakad na lang, doon na kami later.
Yeah.
Pero gusto namin nila makita nung Cheonggyecheon stream kasi ang ganda talaga nung sa gabi.
Pero before we went here, ang dami nilang pinamiling mga Rice Krispies, pati mga chicha. Parang nabudol sila nung isang guy nagbigay ng freebie, and then ang tagal nila doon mamili. So while walking here, kinakain na nila yung mga nuts and
At least may
Rice Krispies.
May snacks kami while walking. Kasi nakakaubos din.
So kanina meron din parade ng mga guards, meron silang mga drums na dala. So hindi ko alam kung parang changing of guards ata yun, pero kanina pwede rin mag-photo op. So nagpa-picture si Mumi.
Pwede rin atang, feeling ko guards nga talaga yun kasi merong palace nearby.
Meron din pa pala kami dinaanan kanina na parang shrine or temple. So parang Buddhist siya. So may mga flower fest sila doon. So may mga nakahigang Buddha, merong Buddha sa loob. Hindi kami pumasok sa loob.
Yeah, naalaw kami doon sa flowers. Ang ganda. As you guys saw on the vlog. That's the update. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito sa Cheonggyecheon stream. Kasi may mga stores din naman sa side. Let's go!
How big is that? How big? Yes. Thank you. Ilang pala ng sugar to, pero sakto mo ng sugar. Blue bottle. Hey guys, we're back in Myeongdong. Mas maganda umikot ngayon kasi maganda ang weather. Kasi last time na nandito kami, sobrang umuulan. Tapos ang sikip pa. Pero ngayon, sobrang perfect ng weather for eating and shopping.
Hey guys, it's 6 p.m. here in Myeongdong Night Market. So, gutom na kami. Nakita namin tong steak and octopus food joint. So, we ordered it.
One order is 15,000 won. So, parang yung size niya na naka-display kanina, parang enough na for 2 persons yung size. Pero kung, hopefully, kung matakaw kayo, baka isang order lang per head. Pero for us, parang for 2 na yung ano niya, serving size. So, ang in-order lang namin is yung steak kasi gusto namin ng meat.
So, ang tagal lang maluto, pero gutom na ako. Ang sarap. Naka-ano siya, naka-sear sa butter.
Yeah, we're planning to food trip tonight dito sa Myeongdong. So, this is our first meal sa Myeongdong.
Okay, let's try the steak na.
Andito na yung food. Let's eat! So,
Okay.
kanina nakikita nyo, tinotorch yung beef para mas mabilis maluto. Pero I think kaya siya tinotorch ng yung mga food dito kasi pag tuwing winter, hindi naluluto kagad sa sobrang lamig. So,
Try
kanina nilagyan ng sauce. I don't know kung anong sauce siya, pero tikman natin.
Lambot.
Oh my God, no. Okay. Sobrang lambot ng meat. Sinilagyan siya ng Worcestershire sauce. Perfect. Then meron siyang palang toge sa ilalim.
Lambot.
I'm so happy na toge yung gulay na kasama kasi I love the toge here in Korea. Ang haba. Nalaki tsaka haba. Good. Ay, sulit yung 15,000 won.
Cheers! Harap. Sobrang lambot. So yung timpla ng steak, parang salt and pepper. Tapos nung naluto na siya, nilagyan siya ng thick sauce. Pero Worcestershire sauce siya eh. No? Lasang parents.
Harap.
Ang lungis mo.
Takaw is real.
O diba may steak sa night market?
Ubusin lang namin to and then on to our next meal.
Okay, ngayon naman, kapitbahay naman kami, yung Star Chicken. So, it has tteokbokki, rice cake nila, tsaka sweet and sour chicken. Let's try it! Go, go, go! How's the chicken? Sarap!
Ang harap. Parang ang chewy ng balat niya.
Ang chewy ng bread eh. Ang sarap.
Sweet and sour chicken with tteokbokki. Harap. Harap.
Okay, busin lang namin sugar. Magtira na lang kayo sa akin. Gusto mo ba ng bite? Siguro. Ang sarap!
Oh my God, ang harap.
Sarap!
Guys, we ordered lamb stick. Magkano isa na to?
9,000 won. Okay na. Let's try it! Actually, nakasubo na.
Natry mo na eh.
Kasi ikaw naman.
So ito yung binili natin last time, marshmallow, pero brownie. And may isang ice cream din. Kaya kinakain nito.
Lamig, kinagat ko, nalimutan kong nalagay.
Okay, so let's taste it. Taste it, kala ni Patikman.
Sarap talaga nito. Ayo, ang laki naman. Bakit ang dense?
Brownie! Kaya sarap ng brownie.
Sobrang, parang chocolate na talaga yung brownie.
Patikim!
Sarap! Yung may marshmallow.
Hala, ang dense. Diba?
Parang kumakain ng chocolate.
Pwede pa palit to.
Ang so good.
Parang kumakain ka ng chocolate talaga mismo.
Palit mo.
Parang
Chocolate fudge.
Oo!
Yeah, ganun ka, dense yung brownie. Papalit mo na yan.
Na-regret
Na.
na.
Sarap guys.
Palit na lang.
Okay guys, magkano to?
8,001.
Nag-try kami maghanap ng brownie doon sa ibang mga stall na may ganito. Puro ice cream lang. Pero ito dito sa may Myeongdong Theater lang siya meron.
Oo.
So ito yung hinahanap talaga namin brownies.
Masarap yung brownie, better than ice cream. Kasi pinagsisihan ni Dre ice cream niya. Meron ding cheesecake option.
Basic. That's so good. May cheesecake kaya. Hindi pa na-try no?
Okay guys, bilhin na kayo. Hey guys, update. We're done sa Myeongdong. Tapos na kami mag-food trip kasi busog na kami. So we ended the night with the s'mores at saka yun. Wala na pala.
We're now heading to Lotte Supermarket kasi yun yung last stop namin for the day para wala kami masyadong dala. So, eto na, kaharap namin siya. We're just gonna cross the street. Hey guys, it's 9:37 p.m. and we're on our way home. The B&B is actually nearby.
We just bought Maps breakfast kasi puro sourdough and tuna lang kinakain niya every morning. So we decided na bilan siya ng kimchi dumpling. Yun yung kinain natin yesterday. So kanina bumili din kami ng pang breakfast namin tomorrow.
So this one is from Sada Kitchen. You've seen this one from our previous vlog na rin in Korea and super sarap niya, tsaka mura. So it's a successful second day here in Korea. We've been to the Dongdong area, Iksandong, Insadong, and Myeongdong.
Puro dong tayo ngayong araw.
It's a dong day.
So uwi na kami and we're tired. See you guys tomorrow.
That's it for this vlog. See you on the next one. Good night.
Good night!